Tyler, look. Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night you guys. I'm all dolled, well, not just me, but the whole fam bam is all glammed and looking all pretty today because we are heading to Babe's office. We're going to Babe's office today because they have a little I think it's a little Christmas thing for the kids, everybody that work there that have kids. They have a little thingy going on today. So we're taking Tyler. Tyler, come here. Come here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look. Ooh. Baby. Look, say hi to the face. He's watching Peppa Pig, so he's not really into you guys this morning. But hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. You guys, this morning I woke up and I did a killer work out. Don't babe?
Yes, you did.
You guys, I did a killer workout this morning and I feel good. I know my day is going to be awesome. So make sure you guys get your workout in. Did you say hi?
No, because you took all of the time. And hi guys. Yeah, she don't let me talk. So, and then after she said, you just say no. Yeah, Saturday's the beginning of the weekend. Hopefully we plan a lot of things to do, and yeah, it's just about to start. We are ready now, about to leave, and yeah, it's gonna be a good afternoon.
So we'll catch you guys later at some point through the day. Come babe, let me show them your outfit of the day. Stand up. You guys, this babe outfit of the day. Looking all cute. Show them my outfit of the day. We are matching, of course. Brown shoes, blue pants, and what is this? Burgundy top.
You call that burgundy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What you call it? Purple? It's not purple. Red, wine red.
Yeah, it's red, but it's a certain type of red.
Wine
it's like
red,
yeah.
So this is our outfit of the day. And we're looking cute. And it's so beautiful outside, you guys. We don't need any jacket right now, but later I'm sure we will. And let me show you Tyler outfit of the day. Ty, let's go. Stand up, stop. Look. Hey, show them your outfit. Where's your shirt? Where's your shirt? Shirt, where's your pants? Pants, and where's your shoes? Wow, tu es beau, Tyler. Baby, sit. Go sit. You guys, we're in town right now and they have this little Christmas station that you can take pictures at. I think is pretty cool. And this wheel, I shall go in it at some point today, hopefully. That's a Christmas market over there, and town is full of police and patrols. This is supposed to look very pretty at night. I can't wait to see it later. This star, Tyler. We go there later, not now. Okay, later. Come, hold mama hand. This way, this way. Come. See police. Police, 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 police car. Dis bonjour police. You want to go to say bonjour to the police? Yeah. Babe, is this the thing you bought when you went on the hill? It's this? It looks like this look more yummy here. No, that's not pizza. Eh? No, I just passed a guy with his plate sitting down behind me. I don't think I had tasted it. What's that? Tree. You look so pretty beside the tree. Come, let's go. Let's go here. See another tree up there. Come on. Let's go. You guys, we're in town at the Christmas market. Well, the area that the Christmas market is in, really. Come. Go with Papa. Go. And I can't wait for it to get a little bit dark later, so we can really see all the lights. It's gonna be so beautiful. But it's a good day. As you can see, I'm in no sweater. Tyler is so independent these days. He doesn't don't put Tiger down in the water, okay? He doesn't want you to hold his hand. He wants to walk independently. You just have to watch him. Come, baby, come. Look where you're going. I'm trying to catch you in the wheel. Okay, that's better. There it is. The wheel behind your head. Look, see more there. Look, see one up there. Get him, get him. Come, he's gone. Come, it's gone. Tell her who is that? For Noel. Tell her who is that? For Noel. For Noel coming for you. Tyler, look. Tala di Messi. Whoa. You want to pull it? Pull. Pull, baby, pull. Put it, record. Pull, Tala, pull. It's a ride. I didn't realize that that's a ride. Okay, I want us to go in this one before the line get long and this big one I want to do first before we do anything else. Yes. You guys, we're inside the Christmas market. This Christmas tree over there is a ride, and this big ride over here that I want to go in with the boys. So hopefully we get to go in this one. And I know Tyler is gonna sleep, so let's see how much fun he can have before all that happens. Is over here we go? Yes.